I know how frustrating it can be trying to make money online as a complete beginner. And that is why my goal in today's video is to give you literally the easiest way to start making passive income online with affiliate marketing straight from the comfort of your home. And all you simply need to do is to follow this video step by step, and I can assure you that you're going to make money right after watching this video. So the very first step is going over to Capterra.com, and this is a platform where you can find various software and service-based products that we can promote to people who need them, and we can start earning affiliate commission. So once you come over to this website at Capterra.com, as you can see, find the right software and services. So in this video, we are going to focus only on software-based products alone. So you want to come over to software categories, and if you click on this drop down button, you want to then click on browse all categories. And if you do that, as you can see, there are over 900 subcategories under this category, which we can use to start making money with affiliate marketing. So if you scroll down here, you can see there are so many products that we can start promoting to people right away and start making affiliate commissions. So in today's video, we are going to be taking email marketing as an example. And the reason being that this is the niche most of my students are currently using to make money right now. And also because it doesn't matter whether it's a startup business, medium-sized business, or a large-scale business. Usually businesses need to reach out to their customers from time to time, be it for promotional purposes, announcements, or whatever sort of activity. Businesses always want to reach out to their customers, and the best way they do that is using email marketing softwares. And there are so many email marketing software out there that they can use. And if you go over here, you can see there are over 900 email marketing products that we can promote to businesses and start making money. And you can see the first one listed here, Bitrix24.com. This is one of them we can use right here. And if I scroll down, you can see we have MailChimp, we have Jira. If I scroll down, there are many email marketing softwares. All right. So in this video, we are going to be taking Bitrix24.com, and all you simply need to do from here is to then click on visit website. So if you come over to the website, you can see right here, you can use this tool to send out promotional information or other forms of emails to your contact or your customers. All right. So once you come over to this platform, all you simply need to do is to scroll up to the top where it says partners, and you want to click on the drop down button, and you want to click on become Bitrix24 partner. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to then partner with this platform and start bringing sales to them, which in turn they will give you a commission. And as you can see, the commission plan here, which is going to give you 50% for every sale you make, or 100% for any value added services. This is a lot of commission. Keeping in mind, other products in this niche usually give between 20 to 30% commission. All right. So if you come over here, all you simply need to then do is to click on submit application. You then want to enter your basic information right here. As you can see, it's a simple one-page application. All you just need to do is to enter your basic details, and your account is going to get approved, and you can start promoting their product right away. And now the final thing you want to do on this platform is to come over to the pricing, as this is going to give you an idea of how much people need to spend and how much you are also going to earn as an affiliate. So if you click on the pricing, as you can see, their products start from $40 up to $325. And I can tell you, most people usually go for the standard package. And as you can see here, this one costs $81, which means if you get 50% of this sale, you are going to be making $40 for everyone you refer to purchase this product. So the next step is to then create a simple landing page which you'll be using to promote this product. And one trick I usually recommend my students to do is to collect emails while promoting affiliate product, because this means you can also have your own list and you can promote other similar products to people who are interested in this niche. Okay, so once you promote this product, if people don't buy the product the first time, you can always remarket the product to them. And also from time to time, you can recommend other similar products to them and make money in passive income. And to create this type of landing page, so all you simply need to do is to come over to buildraw.com, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So if you use the link in the description, it's going to give you a 14 days free trial. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and all you simply need to do from here is to come over to the tools section, and you want to click on website builder. And if you do that, you're going to see a lot of templates you can use to start creating landing pages right away without having to create it from scratch. All right, so whichever one you want to use is up to you. All you simply need to do is to select one of these landing pages. So I'm going to take this template here as an example. All you just need to do is to click on select this, and if you do that, you want to then click on get started. So as you can see, this is a template. All you just simply need to do is to edit this text to whatever you want it to say, and you can start using this template to start promoting this product right away. As you can see, I can edit this text to whatever I want, and I can also come over here to change the color of this text. You can literally customize this text however you want it. And also you can change the image just like I've done right here as well. Okay, all you simply need to do is to click on the image, and you can come over here. You can upload any image from your device, and this is how you can create a very simple landing page like the one I've created right here. And once you're done creating the landing page, you want to then make sure to come over to this section that says access link, and this is where you then want to paste in the affiliate link you got from the email marketing software. All right, so once you paste in the affiliate link here, all you simply need to do is to click on save. So once you click on save, you don't want to click on yes, publish my website. And then the next thing you want to then do is to come over to canva.com to create content which you will be using to promote this email marketing software. And no, you don't need to become a professional designer to do this, as Canva gives you a lot of templates which you can use to create images, videos, graphics, without being an experienced designer. So all you simply need to do is to come over to where it says social media. You will see this section that says Pinterest pin, and you want to click on it. So if you come over to this section, you can see right here, there are so many amazing templates that you can use for free. All you need to do is to select any of these templates, and you can edit them to your liking and start promoting them right away. So for me, I'm going to use this template as an example. As you can see, how to grow your business with email marketing. And then you want to make sure down below here, you want to type in learn how. So once you make a simple pin like this with a call to action which says learn how, all you then need to do from here is to click on share, and you'll be able to download this pin to your device right away. The next step is to then come over to pinterest.com to create a free account. And the good thing about Pinterest is you don't even need to have a large number of following to get views on Pinterest. As you can see, this account with just 41 followers gets over 80,000 monthly views on their profile. And this tells you even with a brand new account, you can start getting views from Pinterest right away and start getting affiliate sales. All right, so all you simply need to do is to create a free Pinterest account. So once you do that, you want to then upload the pin you just created on canva.com, and you want to type in a captivating heading or title like this: how to grow your business online with the power of email marketing. And if you notice, I strategically use this keyword email marketing and online business, because these are the type of keywords and these are the people you want to target, people who are interested in growing their businesses with email marketing. So you want to do this type of little SEO to boost your reach on Pinterest. And if you do that, you want to also make sure to come over to the tag section, and you want to add in related tag like this: email marketing, starting a business, online business, and all that. Once you do that, this is where you then want to add your landing page link. So you don't want to come back to your Builderall account to copy your landing page link. So once you copy your landing page link, all you simply need to then do is to paste in the landing page link here, and you want to click on publish. All right, so once you click on publish, you are going to start getting views from Pinterest. And I highly recommend you upload 2 to 3 pins every single day to maximize your reach on Pinterest and start getting clicks on your affiliate link, which in turn is going to convert and you are going to start making passive income when people start purchasing the email marketing software using your affiliate link. And keep in mind, the reason why software-based product is the best to promote when it comes to affiliate marketing is because as long as people continue to use this product every single month, you will still be getting affiliate commissions from this platform. So what it means is if you get 10 people to purchase this product using your affiliate link. All right. So let's say the 10 people go for the standard plan and you get half of this sale, which is $40. You are going to be making $400 from just 10 people. And if these 10 people continue to use this product every single month, you are going to be making $400 in passive income because they are still using this product. So this is why the best type of product to promote with affiliate marketing is software-based product because of the recurring commission you get, and this will help you make money in passive income. And if you like this video, I highly recommend to check this video on your screen as it's the next video that is going to help you even make more money with affiliate marketing.